Namaste everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I will be making our journal page. You will see me how I break a plain white paper. Now here I will be using Ken Oliver color burst in violet and ultramarine with water. I built up the colors till I am satisfied. Now these colors are supremely pigmented and little goes a long way.
So these two colors complement each other so well. I tend to grab these two all the time. These are my favorite colors. I just love them. After I was happy with my color base, I started mixing light fluffy paste from TCW, that is the Crafter Workshop, with Ken Oliver's sepia color. This is very beautiful brown color. After mixing, I realized I should build up my composition more, so I add some stamping here and there. With the use of blending tool, I add archival ink through the stencil. I wanted some more circles at the background, so I chose these visible image stamps. These are very good, high quality, clear stamps. Now I come back again to the paste and color I mixed before. I use it through TCW stencil. I wanted to distress the edges, so I am using Distress Oxide ink in Vintage Photo. I thought I should add some more brown color to the background, so I am using the same sepia color and as every crafter love splattering the colors, I am doing the same here. Check out my other videos as well. I do a lot of mixed media and art journal process videos, and I even do ATCs and tags. Hope you like them. Guys, please go through the whole process video. I'm sure you will like it. I built up the composition for focal point. I will take you to the step-by-step process, and do leave me a comment if you have any questions or you like it. If you want to express any views or anything, do comment in the section below. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out all the photos at the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Namaste.